Think about this for a second. The companies that gave NVIDIA $215 billion in revenue last year, Google, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, they are now spending billions to replace NVIDIA completely. And the crazy part? NVIDIA saw it coming and still couldn't stop it. Let's break this down. How did NVIDIA get here? Back in 2012, NVIDIA was just a gaming chip company. Revenue? $4 billion. Nothing special. Then a group of researchers used NVIDIA's gaming chips to train an AI called AlexNet. It destroyed every competitor, by a mile. The AI world noticed immediately. See, training an AI model requires billions of calculations happening at the same time. Normal chips do things one by one. NVIDIA's chips, built for rendering video game graphics, could do thousands of things simultaneously. Perfect fit. Right place, right time. So what happened next? Google started buying, Amazon started buying, Meta started buying, Microsoft started buying. Not small quantities, millions of chips, at $40,000 per chip. NVIDIA's revenue went from $27 billion in 2023 to $215.9 billion in 2026, up 65% in a single year. 4 companies turned a gaming chip maker into a $3 trillion empire, almost by accident.
Think about this for a second.
Here's where it gets interesting. There's a simple rule in business. Never depend on a single supplier for something you cannot live without. By 2026, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft were running everything on NVIDIA chips. ChatGPT, Google Search AI, Instagram recommendations, Microsoft Copilot, all NVIDIA. One company, controlling the engine of the entire AI industry. And NVIDIA kept raising prices, because why not? Nobody had an alternative. So they decided, we'll build one ourselves. Let's look at what each company actually built. Google first. Google has been secretly building their own AI chips, called TPUs, for over 10 years. Their latest chip, Trillium, delivers 4.7 times better performance than the previous generation. Here's the number that matters. Running AI on 8 Google chips costs $11 per hour. Running the same thing on 8 NVIDIA chips? 10 times more expensive. 67% less power consumption. They've already deployed over 100,000 of these chips. Not testing, actually running. Amazon built Trainium. And here's the signal that it works. OpenAI and Anthropic, the companies behind ChatGPT and Claude, are already using it. Amazon's chip business grew 40% in a single quarter this year. Meta didn't launch one chip. They launched 4 chip generations in a single announcement in March 2026, up to 25 times better compute performance. Meta spent $135 billion in capital expenditure this year, buying from NVIDIA and building their own simultaneously. Microsoft launched Maya 200 in January 2026, built on the most advanced 3-nanometer process. 140 billion transistors, designed to run AI cheaper and faster than NVIDIA. 4 companies, 4 chips, all running, all growing. Now the numbers. NVIDIA's market share in AI chips, 70% today. 1 year ago, it was 86%. Custom chips from these 4 companies are growing at 44.6% this year, almost 3 times faster than NVIDIA's own chips. Broadcom, the company manufacturing these custom chips, already has $73 billion in orders in their backlog, targeting $100 billion in annual revenue by 2027. The money is clearly moving, slowly, but clearly. So why is NVIDIA still winning? One word: CUDA. CUDA is NVIDIA's software, the programming language AI developers use to write code for NVIDIA chips. Around since 2007. 19 years of development, millions of developers know it. Billions of dollars of infrastructure runs on it. Switching away from NVIDIA doesn't just mean replacing a chip. It means rewriting all the software, rebuilding everything from scratch. As one cloud engineer put it, if it doesn't work with CUDA, it doesn't work for 90% of our customers. That is NVIDIA's real weapon, not the hardware, the software ecosystem that took 19 years to build. So who actually wins? NVIDIA dominates training, the hardest, most expensive AI work. Custom chips are winning inference, the cheaper, repetitive work running at massive scale every second. Think of it this way. Training is building a rocket engine. Inference is flying the rocket every day. NVIDIA builds the best engines. But Google, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft want to own the sky. Market share: 86% 1 year ago, 70% today. The direction is clear. This is the same pattern we see with every dominant empire. Untouchable on paper, but the numbers slowly start telling a different story. Is NVIDIA the next Intel? Or is Jensen Huang different? Drop a comment. I read every single one. And subscribe. Next week, we cover another billion-dollar battle changing the world right now. See you there.